Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. So today is February 25, 2021, and we are going to begin with a morning meeting. So to start off, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. So now we're going to go over the 7 days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from preschool learning fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustration.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Awesome job, boys and girls. So, good morning once again. So, today is Thursday, February 25, 2021. And if today is Thursday, can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yes, good job, Wednesday. Because we are Thursday, so yesterday was Wednesday. And if we are Thursday today, tomorrow will be Friday. Yay! Yes, finally Friday. My favorite day out of the week. So now we're going to go over today's weather. And today's weather is sunny and hot. Last week was very cold and rainy and just really bad. However, Texas weather is back and we finally have sun and heat. So we're going to go over the mood meter. So I want to know how you all are feeling today. I'm going to start off by telling you how I feel. So today, Ms. Gonzalez feels happy, calm, relaxed. I'm in the green area, boys and girls. I'm happy, I feel relaxed, I'm just calm. I'm very happy that today we are Thursday and that tomorrow is Friday. Now I want you to tell me how you all are feeling today. I hope everybody is in the yellow and green area. And by any chance, if you are in the blue or red, I hope your day gets better and that by the end of the day, you are feeling in the yellow and green area as well. So now, boys and girls, we're going to go over the RISE schedule. So first, we are going to have breakfast and morning meeting. Once you are done with breakfast and morning meeting, you will do personal hygiene. So you will go to the restroom, wash your hands, brush your teeth, and prepare yourself to start on IEP goals. We are Thursday, so today you will do part of your IEP goals. Once you are done with IEP goals, you will have some centers or free time. This is time for you all to relax. After working so hard on your goals, you can either read or just listen to music, play some games with your siblings or on your own. Anything that just helps you relax and just have some playtime. Once you have relaxed and had some free time, you will do story time. You can either read a book or do stories online or the AR Zone book that we put in Teams. We just need to read a little bit, boys and girls, so story time would be next. After story time, you will have lunch. I hope you have a delicious warm lunch. And then after lunch, you will exercise. Exercise can be anything, guys. We just need you to be up and moving. We need to have your heart rate up, even if it's just for a little while. So you can work out, you can go for a walk, you can go for a run. Anything that has your heart rate up, boys and girls. And here are some activities that you all may be able to do. You can do the hula hoop or the hopscotch, maybe play tag with a sibling. You can also ride a bike or take a walk. Once you are done with your IEP goals, you can submit them to Teams. If you have any questions on any of your assignments, here are your teacher's information. Feel free to reach out to us at any time. We are always here to help, boys and girls. If you do not need any assistance from us, once you are done, do not forget to submit a thumbs up into Teams, submit your assignment, and once you have done that, you are good for the day. We will see you here tomorrow. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you have a terrific Thursday.